of the lazy guy. Lazy guy members, you people know they don't be falling lazy guy. Don't fall my hands, oh. I'm telling you, don't disappoint me, your CEO. Anyway, guys, let's go and watch this. Our brother, hey! I love you. I love you for your support. Thank you for those guys who are always standing with the truth and they're always here to support with honesty without looking for something from Marwa. My last place I stayed, team hosted me. Now I'm seeing fake news, people saying like I got kicked out. But that's fake news, guys. Even if you are a good reactor talking about me, okay? Let's say you talk about Marwa, like Marwa did this today. I don't want negative reaction. You reacting on negative reaction. I will unsubscribe from your channel because I don't want that type of energy. Because think of this. I don't watch negative people talking about me like, oh, Mara got kicked out of friend's house. Then you come on the channel I've subscribed and you're saying, oh, Mara was never kicked out, like countering that. No, I will unsubscribe. I'm sorry, but I will unsubscribe because it's lies. You are either promoting those lies indirectly. Look at my video, see a positive thing you like, you can react from it because there's better, you know. To react to. So, and even the funny thing is this: my host contacted me, the last host. He contacted me, saying the guy from Washington D.C. was contacting him, was trying to reach out to him. Those people are obsessed. They are sick. They need help. They need therapy. They should go and find help. That's crazy. Imagine. He called me the other day and telling me, Marwa, it's good. I have to inform you. Like the guy, he's trying to contact me. I was like, oh. I told him, bro, all he wants is to divide me and you. That's all he can do. I swear before God, God is my witness. I'm not lying. I've never lied. I'm not lying. I've never lied. Never lied. And why would I lie? You know? So the best thing is to ignore them. Ignore them. Let's do our thing. Let them watch on TV. I know they are desperate of views. They are desperate of everything. They are obsessed, you know. You know, when you dwell yourself in... You know, this is the funny thing about human behavior. If you do something over and over and over and over, it becomes part of you. So that's why I'm asking even my reactors, those guys who react on my videos, who are like supporting me, and some of them have subscribed to your channel, please stop reacting on fake news. You know it's fake. Why are you reacting on it? Leave it alone. Otherwise, I'll have to unsubscribe from your channel and just focus on my lane. These are the kind.
Peace and love, African family. Peace, love, and sunlight. This is Ankeru from Jam Tours Africa family. You see the merch, go and get your merch, family. Get some peace, get some love, get some sunlight, get some prosperity in your life, family. So in this video, family, I want to react to our CEO of the Lazy Gang, Black Beauty video. And I want to let you guys know, family, like this is the video I am Mara is talking about. This is the video his reactor Min Awi was down in the comment. And this is the video he's talking about, family. So I'm gonna react to that video, family, and let you know that go and watch this video and check out Min Awi comment. And I'm gonna post the comment here, and she might delete it because her boss is on her neck right now. She's about to get fired, and she won't get no membership in the Lazy Gang if she get fired, family. So guys, I just want to let you know, guys, that what Mara is saying is rubbish. And if these guys don't react, and the reactors and the Lazy Gang, they have no content, they have nothing to say. And you know, as you can see, Mara is watching the video, because if he was watching the video, he would know that. And look at the title, look at the title, look at the title, family. So obviously Mara is watching this video, family, and he's watching it and he's silent. But we want to know, how long, Mara, can you silent for? Tell me how long. I know you're gonna watch this one too, but how long can you silence for? It's just a matter of time before, you know what I mean, you have to come out and say something You know what I mean? I don't really care if you come out and say something. I just want my refund. And that's what I want, because you was there and you see everything. And I actually, as everybody can see, that I give final warning. And what I'm about to do right now, I'm actually talking to YouTube right now. And they ask for the court order. They ask for the court documents. So I would like for Mara reactors to actually, as you can see, family, as you can see, Minawe was down in the comment, and Minawe is I am Mara, reactors. So as he say, he's gonna, you're gonna unsubscribe from his reactors family. So this is just a final warning to I am Mara family, that if you guys is watching his video, share it with him and let him know that he needs to actually advise his sister to give me my refund, family. He need to advise his sister to give my refund, because he feel like, say, because you have a few subscribers, he can get away with the situation. So that's what they keep, that's the reason why they keep in silent. And that's the reason why when the reactors them talk about it and kind of shed some light on it, he don't want that. He don't want his reactors them to talk about it and say Demo go, didn't come to court because she knows she's guilty. He didn't want to actually, he didn't want to have them talking about it. So that's the reason why he's mad at them right now. He's mad at his reactors right now. And if they react to any more video, he's gonna unsubscribe. And they have no option much to continue react, because that's the only way you can get content from Mara, because he do nothing good for you to actually react about. There's nothing good he's doing for anybody to reacting about. All he's doing is misleading his sister and leading his sister astray with his bad advice, family. So I just want to let you guys know that, let him see this video, share it, and let him actually, fix this issue, because he don't know what he's playing with. He don't know what he's playing it, and he don't understand that YouTube is his only source of income and his only bread. It is daily bread, and if his daily bread taken away, it's gonna be a big problem. So he has to understand that he has to fix this issue, and and stop fighting, and stop hiding the truth, and stop lying. You say you don't lie, so why can't you come out and say, the apartment was there, you slept on my bed, you was begging to sleep in my apartment when you're going to the US, so all of these things, it's the truth. That this is the truth. I'm not lying. That you blocked me from Instagram when you say it was gonna get back to me. So why lie? Why lie on these things, and then come out on the internet and make people feel like, so you're the holiest and you're the most honest man. When you're a dishonest man, and that your sister should give him a refund because she take over the apartment. That all of you guys, the entire family, stay in that apartment and know the truth about everything, family. So guys, like, share, and subscribe to the video. Jam Tours Africa.